IAS 37 contingencies. First of all, we have to know about the liability. What is the liability? A present obligation as a result of past event due to which outflow of economic benefits are expected. A past event of present obligation, something happened in past and we have to make the payment for that. This is called liability. Contingent liability, a possible obligation. Obligation is possible depending upon occurrence or non-occurrence of uncertain future event. Means if in future like we will win the case, then if we will win the case, then we have to record the contingent liability. It's the uncertainty about the future occurrence of the events. Or a present obligation but payment is not probable or the amount cannot be reliably measured. There are two conditions of the contingent liability. Possible obligation depend upon the occurrence or non-occurrence of the future, any future events. Or a present obligation but the amount is not reliably measured. It's recorded as contingent liability. Should not recognize in books of accounts but should disclose in notes to the accounts. Examples of the contingent liabilities. Example: potential lawsuit cases, product warranties, and pending investigation, etc. Number 2. If a person X obtain a loan from the bank and Y is signed as a guarantee for that loan, and the bank will release the funds on the basis of that guarantee. If the person X fail to repay the loan, then the guarantor Y has to pay it. This in turn is referred to a contingent liability for the guarantor Y. Contingent asset, same as liability, a possible assets arising from the past event whose existence depend upon occurrence or non-occurrence of one or more uncertain future events not wholly in the control of the entity. Means the future events will not in control of the entity. Contingent assets should not be recognized but should disclose in notes to the accounts. Should not recognize in the books of the accounts but disclose in notes to the account. Examples of the contingent assets. Number 1. Lawsuit filed by a company A, means case filed by a company A against a competitor for infringing against of the agreement on company's A's payment. Even if it is probable but not certain that the company A will win the case and receive any claim, it is recorded as it is disclosed as a contingent asset of company A. If the company is locked in a legal dispute and has the possibility of winning the case and being entitled to a claim or damage, disclosed as a contingent asset, and once company win the case and court order for the payment, then entity can record as an asset.